Fish is a healthy protein-rich food, especially important for its omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that are not produced by our own bodies. These 8 superstar fish didn't make it to our best fish list simply because of their delicious diet, also environmentally friendly. Make sure to subscribe the channel and let's get started. Number 8. Tuna. Whether fresh or canned, tuna is very popular with many people. When picking fresh tuna, choose a cut that is shiny and smells like the freshness of the sea. It's also easy to prepare. Number 7. Sardines. Also an oily fish, sardines are rich in many vitamins. The canned version is easy to find, and it's actually more nutritious because you're eating the fish whole, including the bones and skin. Number 6. Perch. The perch has a medium texture and can be either marine or freshwater. Due to its light taste, punk smells good with it. Number 5. Mackerel. Mackerel is a fatty fish that is rich in beneficial fats. King mackerel is a fish high in mercury. So opt for less mercury in the Atlantic or smaller mackerel. Number 4. Herring. Oily fish, similar to sardines, herring is very well smoked. However, smoked fish is high in sodium, so eat it in moderation. Number 3. Cod. This white scaly fish is a great source of phosphorus, niacin, and vitamin B12. A cooked 3-ounce serving contains 15 to 20 grams of protein. Number 2. Striped bass. Farmed or wild striped bass are another tough fish. It has a firm but flaky texture and is packed with flavor. Number 1. Alaskan salmon. There is debate as to whether wild or farmed salmon is a better choice. Farmed salmon is significantly cheaper, but may contain less omega-3 fatty acids and fewer vitamins. However, salmon is a great option for your overall diet.